Hey everyone! Today we're looking at a reliable and powerful energy source, the Grecell 300W portable power station, perfect for camping, outdoor adventures, or as a backup for home use. This model has a 230 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, providing up to 300 watts of power with a peak of 600 watts. One of its best features is the 1.5-hour fast charging. With two 300-watt AC outlets, you can connect multiple devices simultaneously. From smartphones and laptops to lights and small appliances, it can handle it all. Grecell is indispensable for outdoor adventures. You can charge it not only from a wall outlet but also from solar panels and even a car cigarette lighter. This makes it an excellent solution for long trips, off-grid living, or emergency situations. With these options, Grecell is perfect for use both at home and in the great outdoors. The casing is rugged and impact-resistant, and its lithium iron phosphate battery lasts for over 2,000 charge cycles, guaranteeing longevity and reliability. Even with heavy use, Grecell will last you for years. So, the Grecell portable power station is a compact, powerful energy source that keeps you reliably charged in any situation. With fast charging, solar compatibility, and high-power output, it's the perfect choice for home, camping, and all your adventures. With Grecell, you're always powered up. Stay off-grid with the Grecell portable power station. Scan the QR code or follow the link below the video to learn more and make a purchase. See you next time.